6 at the end of this row. Could start over here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this column it starts with a 2, so that's an X. Starts with a 2, then X. Starts with a 2, then X, and then this next one's a 2. This row ends with 3. 1, 2, 3. And if we look over here, started